avail their services. Okay, so two places where you will find is: one, if you purchase a product and you are a consumer; second, if you take in services and then you are again a consumer. So section 27 and section 211, they deal with who is a consumer and what is deficiency of services. Deficiency can be fault, it can be imperfection, it may be inadequacy, it may be in nature, quality, or manner of performance of service. Now I go to what do you say? I go to a parlor saying ki, I want to do facial, I want to do something, okay, for my face. But the products used by the parlor, okay, they damage my skin. In that case, yes, I can file a consumer case against the parlor. Then comes for faulty products. I purchased, now this is a genuine case, I'll tell you. With my husband, it had happened, and he had purchased a mobile phone. It was an iPhone. Matlab, this is almost like a dinosaur era. It was iPhone 4 or 5 something that time. तो तभी क्या हुआ था, suddenly the phone stopped working. So he went down to the Apple Center and gave the phone. So when we gave it to the Apple Center, we came to know that this phone is something that has already been unlocked earlier in the US. So they had technically sold us a used product. So we wrote to Flipkart and said that, see, you are, not Flipkart, abhi Snapdeal tha. We wrote to Snapdeal, we wrote to the seller and said that this is a faulty product that you have sent. You have sent us a product that was already unlocked, that was already used, wherein you have taken the full charges for a new product. So they, with a legal notice itself, they replace the phone for us. Okay. So faulty products, if you get a product which is damaged, for example, a product has a warranty period of 1 year, but still within 1 year, if some crucial part of that particular product, like a television, okay, the picture tube जो होती है जिससे हमको images दिखते हैं. So if the picture tube, something like a picture tube, goes away within a year, it means the product was defective right from the beginning, and the company knew about it, but still they sold out a defective product. So in that case also, you are a consumer and you can approach the consumer court. Then comes the concept of unfair trade practice. This is something that happens in our society a lot, but we conveniently ignore everything. Now you switch on television, every single advertisement is lying to you. No Fair and Lovely, no Glow and Lovely will change your complexion. It is nothing but bleach, which just makes your facial hair golden, and that's why you appear to be fair. Okay, it's a mild bleach. Then your toothpaste, which says that your teeth will become brighter. Your what do you say, your cars, okay, your cars are tested in certain conditions, but जब भी आप कार खरीद के घर पे लेके आते हो, that will not give the same mileage, or that will not give you the same average which they have claimed while selling the car. So every single advertisement lies to you, especially your medical advertisement कि 15 दिन में आपके घुटनों का दर्द चला जाएगा, you don't have to do your knee replacement, this, that, everything is a lie. All these lies come under the concept of unfair trade practices, and you can always file a case against these companies. We have to complete 4 acts today, so I'll be rushing through the sections. If there is anything relevant or you want me to expedite something, then let me know. Okay, I'm just covering the important sections because we have a lot of acts to do now. Earlier, because they were major acts and that had to be done, that's why it took some time. Then comes your courts. So jurisdiction of consumer courts. Now, what are the different types of consumer courts? You have your district consumer disputes redressal, which is your district court. Your complaint valuation up to 1 crore. Okay, complaint valuation has to be up to 1 crore. जो भी damages मैं claim कर रही हूँ, that has to be up to 1 crore. And if I'm not satisfied with, you know, whatever I get, or if I'm not satisfied with the uh, orders, then I can go down to the state commission. Consumer dispute redressal district court is a tribunal. Okay, consumer courts are tribunals, and therefore they don't strictly follow the procedure of CPC and evidence. The difference between your regular court and your tribunals is the following. The option to follow your CPC and your evidence act is totally on the courts. So they can avoid certain sections, they can modify the procedures, they can reduce the steps, etc. So that will help in getting faster judgments. Okay, then comes your state consumer redressal commission. Has to be 1 crore to 10 crore, and appeals from the district commission. For national commission, again, your value has to be more than 1 crore, value has to be more than 10 crore. And again, you will get all the, what do you say, appeals from your state commission. Okay. National commission, again, it is based at Delhi. Moving further, we will talk about what exactly is deficiency of service. Deficiency of service, it also includes what is the failure to provide the promised services, to meet the quality standards, and to provide timely services. So if I have been promised that, uh, I will get after sales services for 1 year, but just 6 months after sales services milta hai. Or if I was assured that, they would be using X products on my car to clean the car, or X company ka engine oil, but they are using a substandard product. Or they said they will give me 4 monthly maintenance, but they just give me 2. Those are the examples of deficiency of service. Faulty products, it includes manufacturing defects, your substandard quality, non-compliance, etc. Now, apart from this, what are the other types of cases that will go before the consumer court? One is your builder dispute. Okay, if you purchase a flat and the builder does not deliver on time, the builder gives you, he says, okay, I'll give you 100 square feet ka balcony, and he gives you 95 square feet ka balcony. Yes, you can go and take the builder down. Then he says that I will give your flat possession or your house possession in June 2025, but that doesn't happen. Then you can give it, then in that case you can take him to the court. Okay, then comes case of medical negligence. So medical negligence cases can also be filed before your Consumer Protection Act. So the case law of Indian Medical Association versus VP Shanta, it mentions that medical services are also under the definition of services which enable the patients to seek remedy under consumer law. Okay, so what happens is, if you are admitted to a hospital, and in a hospital the doctor gives you an assurance that this is the service that we are providing, that this is going to happen, that is going to happen, and unfortunately the patient passes away, or if due to negligence of the patient, doctor, there is some physical or permanent disability that happens, then you can file a consumer case. Then comes your educational service, which misleads students with false claim. Like they'll tell that you will secure 100% marks in upcoming exam, but you just get 98 or 80% marks. Or a lot of advertisements are there which says that we have 100% placement, we will ensure that your company is, your every student from our college is placed. All those cases can be filed under Consumer Protection Act. Then comes your bank. So any banking deficiency, credit card case, or bank is not giving you proper service in case of taking loans, that is also under your Consumer Protection Act. Then comes your e-commerce website, e-commerce as well as your quick commerce, that is your Amazons, your Flipkarts, Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart, Zomato, everything. Even they are accountable for defective products and defective uh, deficiency of service. So in 2019 the act was again amended, and in which the provision for filing, e-filing of complaints was given. um, the Central Consumer Protection Authority was established to regulate the matters related to consumer rights, unfair trade practices, and false advertisement. Mediation as an alternate dispute resolution was proposed. So, what happens is mostly in um, consumer cases, family cases, we have something called as court referred mediation. So, uh, courts